Deep within the heart of ancient philosophy lies a profound concept, a whisper of forgotten wisdom, Hen Kai Pan. Translated from the ancient Greek, it signifies one and all, a seemingly simple phrase that explodes into a universe of meaning. It's not merely a statement of unity, it's a revelation, a gateway to understanding the interconnectedness of all existence. Imagine the cosmos not as a collection of disparate objects, but as a vast, pulsating organism. Stars shimmer as its organs, planets spin in its celestial dance, and we, the seemingly insignificant beings, are woven into the very fabric of its being. This is the essence of Hen Kai Pan, the radical notion that everything, from the loftiest galaxies to the tiniest atom within you, is ultimately one. The origins of this concept stretch back to the pre-Socratic philosophers, those daring minds who dared to question the established order and peer into the nature of reality. Parmenides, a towering figure in this era, proposed that existence is a single, unchanging whole. He argued that anything else, multiplicity, change, or even non-existence, was simply inconceivable. While his strict monism might seem extreme, it laid the foundation for understanding the interconnectedness of all things. Heraclitus, another pre-Socratic, took a different approach. He famously declared, "Antere," meaning everything flows. Heraclitus saw the universe in a state of constant flux, a dynamic dance of change. However, within this ever-changing panorama, he also recognized an underlying order, a logos, that governed the transformations. This logos, he believed, was a reflection of the fundamental unity that permeated everything. Plato, the student of Socrates, inherited these ideas and built upon them. He envisioned the world of forms, a realm of perfect, unchanging archetypes that gave rise to the imperfect, ever-changing world we perceive with our senses. While the physical world might appear fragmented, Plato argued, it ultimately reflected a deeper unity, the unity of the forms. But Hen Kai Pan wasn't just an intellectual pursuit, it was a way of life. The Stoics, a philosophical school that flourished in the Roman era, embraced this concept wholeheartedly. They believed that a universal divine reason, logos, permeated everything, and living in accordance with this reason was the key to a virtuous and fulfilling life. The Stoics practiced self-discipline and acceptance, recognizing their place within the grand scheme of the universe. The concept also resonated in the mystery schools, those secretive societies that promised initiates access to hidden knowledge. Here, Hen Kai Pan wasn't just a philosophical proposition, it was a transformative experience. Through rituals, meditations, and altered states of consciousness, initiates sought to transcend the limitations of the ego and experience this interconnectedness firsthand. The influence of Hen Kai Pan extended beyond the philosophical sphere. It seeped into religious thought, particularly in Neoplatonism, a movement that emerged in the late Roman period. Neoplatonists believed in a hierarchy of realities, with the One, the ultimate source of all existence, at the pinnacle. Everything else emanated from the One, forming a chain of being that ultimately returned to its source. This echoed the idea of Hen Kai Pan, where all things were ultimately one with the divine. So, how does Hen Kai Pan resonate with us today? In a world increasingly fragmented by division and conflict, the concept offers a powerful antidote. It reminds us that we are not isolated entities, but interconnected parts of a vast and intricate whole. Our actions, our thoughts, and our very existence ripple outwards, affecting the universe in ways we may never fully comprehend. This interconnectedness also carries a profound ethical dimension. If we are all part of one grand whole, then harming another is akin to harming ourselves. It compels us to cultivate compassion, understanding, and a sense of responsibility for the well-being of all beings. Hen Kai Pan can also be a source of profound personal transformation. By recognizing our connection to the universe, we tap into a vast reservoir of potential. We are not limited by the confines of our egos. We are part of something much greater. This awareness can empower us to overcome limitations, cultivate a sense of belonging, and live a more meaningful life. There are, however, challenges associated with embracing Hen Kai Pan. The vastness of the concept can be overwhelming. How can we truly grasp the interconnectedness of everything? Additionally, the idea of a single, unified reality can seem at odds with the apparent diversity and multiplicity of the world around us. Here, perhaps, lies the true wisdom of Hen Kai Pan. It doesn't negate the beauty of diversity or the reality of change. Instead, it offers a deeper understanding of the underlying unity that binds everything. Exploring the echoes, modern applications of Hen Kai Pan. The concept of Hen Kai Pan, with its powerful message of interconnectedness, continues to resonate in various ways beyond its historical context. Here are some avenues for exploring its application in the modern world. A holistic approach to science. Science, by its very nature, often compartmentalizes the universe into smaller, more manageable parts for study. However, Hen Kai Pan offers a valuable perspective. It encourages scientists to consider the interconnectedness of seemingly disparate phenomena. This can lead to a more holistic understanding of the universe, with discoveries in one field potentially influencing another. Imagine, for example, exploring the potential connections between quantum mechanics and consciousness research, a bridge built upon the foundation of Hen Kai Pan. Ecological awareness. Our planet is a complex ecosystem where everything is intricately linked. Hen Kai Pan serves as a stark reminder of our responsibility towards the environment. By recognizing our interconnectedness with all living beings, we can cultivate a deeper respect for nature and inspire a shift towards sustainable practices. Imagine environmental movements drawing inspiration from Hen Kai Pan, fostering a sense of shared responsibility for the well-being of the entire planet. Interconnectedness and systems thinking. In today's complex world, understanding complex systems is crucial. Hen Kai Pan can be a valuable tool in systems thinking, encouraging us to view problems from a holistic perspective. By recognizing the interconnectedness of elements within a system, we can develop more effective solutions that address root causes rather than simply treating symptoms. Imagine applying Hen Kai Pan to healthcare, where understanding the interconnectedness of bodily systems leads to more holistic approaches to wellness. Spiritual practices. Hen Kai Pan has a profound impact on various spiritual traditions. Practices like meditation and yoga, with their emphasis on inner unity and connection with a greater whole, resonate with the core message of this concept. Additionally, Hen Kai Pan can inspire a sense of awe and wonder at the interconnectedness of the universe, fostering a deeper spiritual connection. Imagine reinterpreting ancient meditation practices through the lens of Hen Kai Pan, deepening the connection between the self and the universe. A foundation for unity. In a world rife with division and conflict, Hen Kai Pan offers a powerful message of unity. By recognizing our inherent interconnectedness, we can bridge the gaps between cultures, religions, and ideologies. Imagine fostering peace-building initiatives grounded in the principles of Hen Kai Pan, promoting empathy and understanding across seemingly disparate groups. The echoes remain. Hen Kai Pan is not merely a dusty relic of ancient philosophy, it's a living concept with profound implications for our modern world. By embracing its message of interconnectedness, we can foster a more holistic understanding of ourselves, our environment, and the universe we inhabit. The whispers of Hen Kai Pan still echo, a call to recognize the fundamental unity that binds us all. The journey to unravel its mysteries is a path of self-discovery, a call to action to live in harmony with ourselves, each other, and the universe itself. Are you ready to listen?